to award a total of 13,700 applicants who applied. We do this without any bias whatsoever. We make sure that we award students belonging to parents who are actually voters of this constituency. And these 13,700 awardees is an increment from the 10,800 awardees that we had in the year 24-25. And this excitement, I think, is arising from the fact that the verification exercise that we have and the communication that we have put out to the parents is such that any applicant who can genuinely demonstrate to us that they are interested in the welfare of their child will have to be awarded automatically. And within Kisii County, Kisii County, I want to applaud Kenyanya Sub-County under the leadership of Mwalimu Gladys Lepishoi. We continue to see a great passion in education. You all know education is the ultimate equalizer. Even me standing before you today will not be where I am today had it not been for the education that has been that was given to me in those formative years.
Bomachoge Borabu constituency. Vile umesikia mheshimiwa, all the applicants who applied for the bursary were considered, which is actually a plus for this sub-county. In the last year's exams, the mean score improved from around 5 to 6, and it is expected that it will be going up on an upward trajectory to around 8. For us, I think as government, it is very clear that the government has said we need 100% transition, and we are implementing that directive very faithfully to ensure that all our children go to school.
And I want to applaud also our sub-county in terms of schools, in terms of performances. The performance has grown from 5, the average has moved from 5 to 6. And together with this dormitory commissioning and the bursary launch, I have managed to be able to have a meeting with the principals out of the 45 schools within Kenyanya Sub-County secondary schools. And we have had a very detailed discussion around what is required to ensure that our performances now move from an average of 6 up to an average of 8. And among the recommendations that I think came out was that there is need for me to work very hard to make sure that I visit all the 45 sub-county secondary schools within Bomachoge Borabu. So, and this ecosystem will not be as scintillating as it is without the efforts of the teachers, and definitely without the support that we receive from the parents of the students in these schools. And so I want to congratulate our teachers, and I also want to thank and congratulate our parents, and I want to encourage them to continue to put their children, to put our schools at the very top of the priorities that they pursue in their lives. And in this particular environment, all of us will be able to realize our dreams through the investments that education puts in that particular investment.
We are also happy and humbled for you to have accepted to come and open this dome for our girl child, and it is a plus for you and for us as a school. So we also invite you another time to come and launch more